Alright, hello YouTube, it's me Kevin. I just wanted to show you a little bit about this new drone that I got for my nephews, an Akaso A21. Got it off Amazon for $42. It's quite small, fits into the palm of your hand, comes with the attached propeller guards, and I just wanted to take you through how to get this drone operational. Okay. So, I'm going to turn on the drone with this button right here. Press it down and it should be blinking, putting out a Wi-Fi signal. I'm then going to go to my phone and look for that Wi-Fi signal within my network. There it is, FLD 37A. So it's connected. And now that it's connected, I'm going to open up the app, which is FLORLD, and that's what it looks like. You're going to go to the free flight option, and now that it's connected, these lights should stop blinking, and you should be able to see this screen within. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put it in the controller. Like so. And I'm going to turn the controller on. Now that the controller's on, I'm going to push up and then pull down, and it should be connected now with the red solid light. Now I can adjust some of the controls here. Take a picture, it'll save. Start a video, it's starting a video, timing there. If I want to remove these controls from on the screen, I can just push that button, the eyeball, and they'll come back. I'll stop the video, and that's all I figured out. There is some choreography here that you can set up, and there's another video I believe that they put out with telling the drone where to go and what to do. I haven't explored that yet, maybe in the future. Go back to free flight, and to take off, there's a button, start and land, as well as a home button, and I'm not quite sure what this button does, but it flies very similarly to the DJI Spark that I have. So I know this is indoors, but I'm gonna try it out anyways. And away we go. I'll try to keep it in frame. I know compared to some of the other drones on the market that are this cheap, this flies and stays in one place quite nicely. I'm very impressed with it. Take a video. And because it has the propeller guards, it's quite easy to move around the house without worrying that it's going to fly into something. But it's quite stable. It's very stable, actually. It floats around a little bit, but by and large, it stays in the same position. It says on the box that it's for ages 14 and up, but I believe my nephews, which are 9 and 10 years old, are going to love it. Now to go home, all you do is press that same button, and it'll land quite nicely. I'm going to stop my video. Now my video should be available. Right there. So being inside, the video can be a little bit jostly. It doesn't have a gimbal like many other the DJI products or the higher price point products, but it still does 720 video quite nicely. I'm bumping into the bed there, but yeah, does a pretty good job. Anyway, for $42, I would highly recommend it. It seems like a lot of fun. To charge this, then you can just turn it off and you can pull the battery out from the back. Pull a battery out from the back just by putting your fingers on that side and sliding it out. And then it comes with a charger that plugs in just to this little jack on the back with a USB on the other side. And it just took me less than half an hour to charge. And I believe it's a lithium polymer battery. So we'll slide that back in there and we're ready to go for the next flight. Cheers, have fun, and be safe.